The Honda Gold Wing has long stood as a symbol of touring luxury, and the idea of a 2026 Gold Wing Trike adds even more intrigue for riders who want comfort and stability combined with premium performance. The Trike concept is designed to appeal not just to long-distance riders but also to those who want more balance on the road without compromising the smooth power delivery that the Gold Wing is known for. A Trike takes the essence of two-wheeled adventure and adds a layer of confidence and practicality, especially for older riders or those carrying passengers for extended journeys. Under the hood, or rather under the fairing, the expected powerplant remains Honda's flat-6 1833cc engine, which is a signature element of the Gold Wing lineup. This motor has been refined for decades and is praised for its silky smooth performance, effortless torque, and the ability to cruise highways without strain. If carried over to a Trike setup, it would likely maintain similar horsepower ratings in the 100 to 120 horsepower range. That said, the heavier frame of a Trike could result in slightly reduced acceleration and top speed, though the emphasis here is not outright sportiness but controlled, confident power delivery. A big question surrounding the Trike concept is whether Honda will stick with traditional gasoline power or experiment with hybrid or electric technology. So far, no evidence suggests a fully electric Gold Wing is in development, but Honda has been investing in battery technology and electric motorcycles, so a hybrid assist system cannot be ruled out in the coming years. If this happens, charging times, range, and battery capacity would become key selling points, but as of now, most experts expect the Trike to stay loyal to its tried-and-true six-cylinder gasoline setup. When we talk about performance, a Trike has unique dynamics compared to a motorcycle. With two wheels at the back, the machine offers superior stability, especially at low speeds and in slippery conditions. However, this design also means less ability to lean into corners, resulting in a wider turning radius and a different feel in curves. Honda would need to engineer suspension and braking systems specifically tuned for a Trike to ensure smooth, predictable handling without sacrificing comfort. Enhanced braking systems, possibly with larger discs or linked brakes, would be expected to handle the additional weight. The design of a Gold Wing Trike would likely blend classic Gold Wing styling with bespoke bodywork at the rear. Large fenders, a sculpted rear end, and expanded storage compartments could become signature features. Touring comfort is a top priority, so we could expect heated seats, generous padding for both rider and passenger, and tall windshields to block wind buffeting on long highway runs. Luxury elements such as ambient lighting, chrome accents, and possibly even additional rear trunk space would further distinguish the Trike version from the two-wheeled model. Electronics are an essential part of the modern touring experience, and Honda has already equipped the Gold Wing lineup with some of the best in the industry. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and a full-color TFT display are already standard. On a Trike, this could expand even further with features like enhanced navigation modes, multiple camera angles for reversing or parking, and refined rider aids such as traction control and hill start assist. These features would make the Trike practical and appealing for riders who want both traditional motorcycling excitement and modern-day convenience. One of the most appealing aspects of a Gold Wing Trike would be its suitability for riders who may find balancing a large two-wheeled touring machine intimidating. The Trike configuration allows riders to enjoy the long-distance touring lifestyle with less concern about tipping over, especially at stops or in slow-moving traffic. This makes it a great option for older riders, those with mobility concerns, or couples who plan to spend extended hours on the road. It is an accessibility-focused evolution of a beloved touring platform. When it comes to speed testing, the Trike may not match the raw acceleration numbers of its two-wheeled counterpart, but that is not its purpose. Expect a smooth, deliberate buildup of speed rather than a burst of quick acceleration. Cruising at highway speeds should be effortless, with plenty of torque available for overtaking. Stability at high speeds would be a major advantage, and Honda's engineering expertise would ensure that even with a heavier rear end, the Trike remains composed and secure, making it ideal for cross-country touring. Fuel economy will inevitably be slightly lower than the two-wheel Gold Wing due to added weight and rolling resistance. Riders should anticipate a small decrease in mileage per gallon, though the large tank size would still allow for long stretches between refuels. If Honda chooses to offer fuel-saving technologies like cylinder deactivation or advanced transmission mapping on the Trike, the effect of reduced efficiency could be minimized, helping the machine stay competitive in terms of running costs. Price is another critical factor. The 2025 Honda Gold Wing Tour already sits in the mid-$20,000 range in the United States, and a trike version would almost certainly push the cost significantly higher. Additional engineering, bodywork, and lower production volumes could see prices rise into the high $20,000s or even cross the $30,000 mark depending on trim levels and optional extras. This positions the Gold Wing Trike as a premium touring option for serious enthusiasts who value luxury and stability above all else. Design elements are likely to celebrate Honda's half-century of Gold Wing excellence, with bold anniversary-inspired paint schemes, chrome highlights, and commemorative badging. Honda may also expand customization options, giving buyers a chance to choose colors, finishes, and accessories to tailor the trike to their personality. The rear design, which is new territory for Honda if it builds a factory trike, could feature bold sculpting that distinguishes it from third-party conversions currently available in the aftermarket. For riders considering whether the trike is worth waiting for, the performance benefits lie not in raw speed but in confidence and endurance. Being able to ride long distances with less physical demand, more storage, and a stable base at stops transforms the riding experience. Couples who tour together would especially appreciate the secure passenger seating, smoother ride, and reduced fatigue during multi-day journeys. It is this emphasis on practical touring enjoyment that would define the Gold Wing Trike's appeal. The trike would also serve as a statement of Honda's continued innovation. While competitors like Harley-Davidson already offer factory-built trikes, Honda entering the same segment would diversify the touring market and provide new competition. Riders who have long loved the Gold Wing for its reliability, advanced engineering, and smoothness would finally have a factory option rather than relying on conversions. This alone could make the 2026 Gold Wing Trike a landmark release in the touring world. As for release timing, Honda has not yet made an official announcement, which means that the 2026 timeframe is speculative. If development is indeed underway, it is reasonable to expect teasers or prototype unveilings in late 2025, with production models potentially arriving in dealerships in 2026 or 2027. The motorcycle industry often works on multi-year cycles, and with the Gold Wing celebrating its 50th anniversary in 2025, following up with a trike variant would be a fitting next step in the evolution of the model.